Well folks, it's finally happening. I'm doing my first test print. I'm on the AnyCubic Photon Mono 4. Haven't set up the wash and cure station yet, but I'm about 45 minutes into a 1 hour and 45 minute print, and I'm doing 2 miniatures, which you can't really see in there, but they're in there. Alright, I'll show you the results later. Okay, so the first print is done. I just soaked these in methylated spirits for a few minutes and gave them a bit of a plunge. So just pouring these out. Let me just switch hands for a moment. Okay, so these were a pair of scabs from, oh there you go, from the game The Forever Winter, and I believe it was, I think it was Station Forge or Papsicles who did these. I will put it in the description. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, there you go, you can see that one a bit better. Now this is with the speed resin. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop them in the hot water. It's warm water, that's the suggestion. And I'm going to see if I can remove the sprues. Okay. The supports, rather, sorry. Okay, we'll take a look at that. The sprues just came away so nicely. And video's not great on this camera, I really do apologise. Yeah, look, they're not bad. That's 38 millimeters apparently, and that might have been recorded with or without the sprue, but just looking at it, it looks like a standard tabletop. That's the first scav. I think that's the sweet spot there. Okay. Some alright detail. I mean, it is what it is. It's printed. Now he's wearing like this cybernetic helmet of sorts. But I will take stills of this. See the tip of the gun ripped off, but I managed to find it. Where the hell? Ah, there we go. Amongst the sprues. But I can super glue that back on, I'm pretty sure. Either way, it's the starting gun that you get in the game. And yeah, I don't think anyone would be the wiser, given the starting gun is actually chopped off in exactly the same fashion. But anyway, not bad for a first print. Let's go and cure them. So I'm curing for about 3 minutes. I might actually increase this. I've just increased it. That'll be good. Okay, so that's my 2 scabs from the Forever Winter, and they've just come out from 5 minutes of curing, and they look pretty good. Have a look at these photos.